Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall Dev C++ in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type apps. You'll be having the apps and features from system settings. Open it and here we'll be having the search this list option. Just search here for Dev C++. We'll be having it. Click it and select uninstall. Click uninstall and this will show you the directory from where Dev C++ is getting uninstalled. Just click it. So you'll be getting this pop-up saying, do you want to remove all the remaining configuration files? Just click on yes. You'll be getting this completed option here also. Click on close and that's it. As you can see here, I have searched for Dev C++ and the option is not here, and in control panel if I just refresh this, the Dev C++ option is not here. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.